Maybe we can get back on the vet now. I got the stripper. Yeah, we'll get back on it now. I think I'm gonna just strip that whole hood. Who knows, I'll get to stripping. I just might strip it all. We'll see. If you can see, there's several paint jobs there. It's way too many to paint over. At least not a good idea. Yeah, let's just get to stripping it. Make sure you go down and ring that bell and subscribe. That way you get to see all these messes I get into. Well, if I'm going to strip in the garage today, I want it warm first. I don't want to strip in no cold garage. That ought to do it. Sometimes it helps to just take some sandpaper, scratch it up a little first. Well, all you tightwads like me out there, just run down to your dollar store, get your measuring cup, glass. A few of these cheap plastic scrapers, I guess. Just a cheap old paintbrush. You got it made. Oh, yep. Let's go get something. There you go. Just pour you a little out. Not a lot. That'll get you started. Yeah. Nothing to it. Each one of these cheap pans too. Try not to be too messy. Just try to put it on kind of thick. Yeah, it's slow going. Beats the heck out of sanding though. Yep, layer after layer. There's several layers on that. It's going to take a while. I don't recommend this for somebody that's never done it before, but you got to start somewhere. Take your razor blade, bow it. Just put a slight bend in it. Get you one of these scrapers. It works, but you got to be real careful. Especially on these top coats of paint. Feel an awful lot better than that plastic. If it ever starts digging in, putting a groove in it, better change that razor blade quick. You don't want to damage that fiberglass. Get a whole lot more work then. save you a lot of time if you're careful. You're not careful, I guess it'll cost you a lot of time. You get in trouble quick using this. It's not too bad on metal, but this fiberglass, cut it quick. Well, guess we're back on the vet again. That stripper, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. And too slow. I'm getting too old to spend that long on the hood. I don't want to waste all the years I got left stripping on a Corvette hood. So anyway, I broke out my eliminator. That'll do the job. It's pretty aggressive. Not what I like to do, but we don't have time to do too much. This is supposed to have been a quickie job. Just freshen it up, sell it. Well, turning out to be more than that. But anyway, let's get at it. Don't have no time to waste here. Got a lot of work to do. Yeah, I wish I knew what kind of paint this was. Some good stuff. Paint stripper won't hardly phase it. But I'll bet you bird crap on it, eat a hole right through it. That's usually the way it goes. Yeah. Well, looks like it's just gonna be us. Well, none of you leaving now. I got a big job to do. Yeah, not gonna be no clean one. No clean way to do this. Yeah, just make sure you hang around. I need all the help I can get. It's gonna be a rough one. Oh, it really takes it off fast. There's several paint jobs there. I get it down to the factory job pretty quick. Yeah, I don't really like doing it that way, but yeah, it's the quickest way. And I'm just going back and forth. Use a grinder, then using this. Both of them together. They'll finally get it. Man, what a dirty job. Somebody's got to do it. Yeah, looks like it's me. If you're not really careful, you can sure mess things up here fast. Feeling pretty good though. I guess it looks worse than what it really is. Whew. This car got painted about 4 times too many. Oh. Hope the doors ain't like that. What a mess. Hell, it's coming along pretty good. Seems to be working. I'd say, I'd estimate it to be about, I'll probably have this hood stripped in a month. At this rate, that's not bad. Just have to keep at it.